Well, today we're at the Asian market and we're here to buy samgyeopsal or Korean style pork belly. Let's go. Well, we have rice. Okay, so we're done with our shopping, but I think we did a little too much shopping. They gave me a really good deal on these. I couldn't resist. Those meaning. Okay, so we're right behind our school. We're in the park. There's a gazebo here, and we're cooking meat. We got our rice. We got all our seasonings. We got garlic. We're peeling garlic right now, and we got all our veggies too.
이렇게 잘라야지. 먹어.